This is the Shape Products Thick and Strong Flat Area Window Well Cover. This particular model is made for 37-inch by 16-inch half-circle wells. I purchased this through Home Depot using the ship-to-store option. Cost was approximately $26. I've included a link in the description. Included in the box are the well cover, hardware that makes up the 3 spring clips, and an instruction sheet. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Place the cover on top of the well and center it up. Make a mark on the cover that lines up with the rim of the window well in 3 spots where you'd like the clips to be located. If the rim of the well has been bent or smashed, as in my case, an adjustable wrench can often be used to work out the damage. Remove the cover from the well and use a 3/16-inch diameter drill bit to make holes at the marked locations. Position the clip and machine screw on the underside of the cover and the washer and acorn nut on the top. Holding the nut in place, tighten the screw until the legs of the clip close to the point that there's approximately a 1/4-inch gap between them. Place the cover onto the well and press down lightly to lock the clips onto the rim of the well. Overall, this seems like a good product. The plastic is reasonably sturdy, and the clip system is secure but easy enough to remove should that be necessary. If you're looking for a non-weight-bearing window well cover to keep out weeds and water, this one's worthy of consideration.